Hi, I'm Varnaz and welcome to Low Carb Keto Recipes and Having Fun. Today I have a really exciting recipe for you. I've got the recipe for an egg roll wrapper, or in some countries they call it a spring roll. They've come out absolutely amazing, and let me show you. I started gobbling them up. Let me show you what they look like and a taste test. So look at that. I've already eaten half of it. Absolutely, here's my taste test. So, let's go to my kitchen. Let's begin with half a cup of almond flour, 2 tablespoons of psyllium husk, 2 tablespoons of vital wheat gluten, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Give that all a good mix. And now slowly and steadily you'll add some water. You'll need about 6 to 7 tablespoons of water. Bring it into a wonderful smooth dough. Put it between 2 parchment papers and roll it out really thin. Don't worry about the shape. Here's what I do with the shape. And then you can roll it out again and make it even thinner. And that's what it looks like. Now I have some ready mix I've made with beef and cabbage, a nice Chinese spiced for the spring roll. Look how I've tucked it in and folded it, and it's ready to be fried. You can also make dim sums with the same dough. And here they are, nice and fried. You can fry them even in the air fryer if you want, or in oil. Thanks for watching. Bye then.